Hi, and welcome to a brand new video of the Target Individual Program, Target Individual Experience. It is around about 4 after 4:30 in the morning, and I'm browsing the internet, and they have now moved to a more subtle form of targeting in terms of monitoring my online activity. When I click on certain things, there's now like a little beep. Okay, so I don't know if they how they're doing this. Maybe yeah, it's the first time they've done it. They've been doing it for the past 2 hours now. Okay, earlier on, um, it was using the police sirens, but again, very subtle. Now they moved to this beeping sound, right? So, like I talked about this, how they will always find another. When you expose them in a way in which the attention is now on them, they will shift their targeting and they will uh, find another way. Right? There's always a contingency with these dark triad types, these racist law enforcement, personnel. So they will always find another way to target you. So right now, it's like if I wish I can uh, describe the sound. It's kind of like a chirp. Okay, it's like a chirp. All right, and it's this again. This is like I'm browsing the internet. Same thing. Certain things being said. Certain things I click on, what have you. This is what they've been doing. So and again, I still haven't been able to go to sleep. Um, you know, I think the only good night's sleep I had was when I took my sleeping pill, which was a few days ago. But I don't want to take these things every single night because your body get used to these things, and then you want to get a stronger dose. And I'm you know until I can until well, they're not going to stop targeting us as TIs. Okay, they'll just move from another more covert way of targeting us, like what they're doing now, as I described. Every time I'm saying this little trip now, so more, and then the car honking is again is very very subtle, but because I'm up, I can hear it, and like I say, it is what it is. But I'll continue to do my videos, continue to expose them.